Welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about gaming and want to create your multiplayer server for GTA V, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to run a FiveMServer. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest tutorials and tips. Now, let's get started. FiveM is a multiplayer modification framework for GTA V, allowing you to play on customized multiplayer servers. It enables you to create your own rules, install mods, and enjoy a personalized gaming experience with friends or a community. Let's walk through the steps to set up your very own FiveMServer. First, you need to set up your VPS. If you don't have one yet, head over to MonoVM and choose a plan that suits your needs. MonoVM offers multiple payment methods for your convenience. After purchasing, you'll receive login details for your server. Use Remote Desktop Protocol, RDP, to log in and start configuring your environment. Next, navigate to the FiveM website and download the latest server files. The download link is in the captions below. Open the server.cfg you just downloaded. Use any third-party archiving tool, such as 7-zip or WinRAR, to open the .cfg file. Extract these files into a directory you want to store them in. To start your server, navigate to your server directory and run the fxserver.x file. This will launch your server, and you should see an Open Browser tab. Check to make sure the PIN is filled, then click on Link Account. Now to log into your account, choose Continue. Create a backup password to sign up to your server's admin page, and click Create Master Account. Type a name for your server and click Next. Select Popular Recipes. Pick the CFX default FiveM template for now. Other templates may exist, but some will require a database server. Click Save or select another path. Go to the recipe deployer. Click Next once you're sure the recipe looks fine. It should be fine the way it comes. Open keymaster.fivem.net and register your server to create a key. Copy and enter the key you just and click Run Recipe. Everything's correct. You can click Next again. Save and run server, and you're done. Your server is now live. By following these steps, you should be able to set up and run your very own FiveMServer. This opens up endless possibilities for custom gameplay experiences in GTA V. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy gaming!